Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 21, 2024, Thursday. Option expiry for Nifty. So first we will tell about the levels, then the power of technical analysis as always. Nifty closed 0.83% up, 2714.80. BankNifty 46,684.90, 0.81% up. So you can see Nifty and BankNifty uniformly moved up, and Nifty 22,011.95. So Nifty is around 0.6% or something up, right? So what had happened? So Nifty, BankNifty, Nifty, everything opened the gap up. See, normally I have told many times, any levels when it is broken out decisively, when it is broken out, that is either on the upward side or on the downward side, it normally happens in a gap. Sometimes it happens during the day also, but normally it happens in a gap, where straight away it opened the gap up. But after opening gap up, what it did, it slightly went up near the, when I say it all the three indices, it went up and almost touched the 20-day exponential moving average and the Bollinger middle band, but ultimately closed below the key exponential moving averages, but managed to stay above the 50-day simple moving average and 50-day exponential moving average, which was acting as a resistance for the last 4 days. So that's an important level to watch here. So whether it is going to continue or not. Finally, it formed a doji. So doji means what? It is indecision. But normally when an up move has just commenced and when a doji is formed, because if you see after a downtrend, this has just opened the gap up and formed a doji. Normally if it forms, okay, there is nobody has written, this is not mathematics or accountancy theorem, where formula somebody has written and everybody will follow. It's not like that, but normally what happens, when an uptrend begins, a doji happens, normally it is a continuation pattern. But it is not necessary because the key levels are there. The Bollinger middle band has to be taken out decisively. Then only we can say that from a downward has turned up move. But one thing we can say with certainty is that the significant fall that it has witnessed has been temporarily arrested. That much we can make a very good statement. Now coming to the power of technical analysis. if you recollect, what is the level that we told yesterday? We had said that no, the levels that one has to carefully watch. We had said the Bollinger middle band on the daily chart, that is something which is at 22,183. So one has to watch that. So did Nifty close above it? No. Nifty closed, where did it close? Nifty closed at 22,011. So we had said that 22,183. You can see that power of technical analysis. On the downward side, we had told that three levels that are very, very important levels. One has to carefully watch. What is that? Two levels rather. 20-week exponential moving average and weekly middle band. This will act as a good support at least for this week. So it never went there, which was at 21,427 and 21,399 respectively. So hence, like you can see the power of technical analysis. Now let's go into the analysis of various sector. Most of the stocks today moved up. Almost everything. It was a green, complete green screen. Obvious, right? Morning straight away it opened a gap up. That means like whatever levels it closed yesterday, it has to show a positive figure for all the stocks. Hence, no, everything is up or sideways. On the banking, AU, Bandhan, HDFC Bank, SBI, Yes Bank 1% up. Federal IDFC 2% up. IndusInd Bank 3% up. On the financials, Bajaj Twins 1% up, IDFC 2% up, M&M 3% up, Mannapuram and LIC Housing Finance 4% up, Muthoot had a big move of 7%. On the insurance and cards, the sole underperformer I would call is HDFC Life 1% down, whereas SBI Life, SBI Cards 1% up, ICICI General 2% up, ICICI Pru 3% up, LIC had a big move of 4%. On the oil and telecom, Bharti down 1%, Reliance remained flat. That's why Nifty did not move significantly up. Right, on the IT, emphasis 2% down. Emphasis 2% up. Nothing went down. Sorry, my apologies. HCL Tech, LTIM, TechM, Wipro 1% up. Emphasis 2% up. 3% up in Coforge, 5% up in LTTS. Intellect had a massive move of 8%. See, one of the reasons why Intellect is moving, is one of the few product companies in India. Otherwise, all other companies are service companies. People who are interested, just one minute I will take and say, product company is something which get revenue consistently through the license sales, whereas service company year on year they have to get projects and they have to deploy resources. Hence, that's a big difference. On the consumer goods, ITC, Berger, Pidilite, Titan and Trent 1% up, ABFRL, DMart and Page 2% up, PVR had a big move of 4%. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, Eicher Motors, Escorts, M&M, TVS 1% up, Tata Motors, Motherson and Ashok Leyland 3% up. On the metals, NMDC 1% up, Hindalco, Vedanta and JSW 2% up. Coal India and Tata Steel 3% up, SAIL 4% up, Jindal 5% up and National Aluminium 6% up. Health and Pharma, Thyrocare, Apollo, Dr. Reddy 1%. 1%, Thyrocare 1% down, sorry, my apologies, Thyrocare 1% down, Divi's, Lalpa, Sun Pharma and Metro 1% up, Cipla 2% up. In the others category, L&T, Adani Ports, Delta Corp, Jubilant Food, Ultratech 1% up, APL Apollo, Indigo, MCX, Zomato 2% up, IRCTC 3% up, DLF, Godrej and Nykaa 4% up, Polycab 5% up. So tomorrow there is no option expiry. Of course, CNF mid-cap Nifty expiry is there, but that's very volatile, and I would request traders, even the professional traders find it difficult. Hence, now I would request people to stay away from that. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Tomorrow probably most likely we will not put our video. Weekends we will put our global market videos. Thank you very much.